It's my man. Welcome, man.
What's going on here?
When you come back now?
I just come back yesterday.
Hi, good evening.
Agene kwa ta asata olo ka mpia go lo eso.
This face looks familiar. And that girl where we meet for that lounge now, as it be like this now. Now my baby.
Your babe.
Yes, now see here. We are about to get married like this.
Wait a minute.
Olosho,
Now you want marry.
you can't tell me that.
Okay.
Guy, people, everybody they use whole body for dry season. Now you personalize for rainy season. Put a two-factor authentication code.
See this girl. This girl get better potential. When I see her, when I met her, I come notice say there is something inside this girl. You dey feel me?
Okay.
I can't see say, Omo, na condition I put this girl into this work. I can't say, okay, I go change her. I want change her.
No, you don't fit change Olosho. If she's for the streets, leave her for the streets.
See, you get any babe when no be Olosho. See, now the girls wey say they get mind come out with their full chest and accept say they be Olosho. Now we dey call Olosho. Even that your babe wey say they think say na angel, na virgin. See, she be Olosho too.
Guy, she be cash and carry you.
Omo, if I say you come, they go. They go. They go.
No before you go
They
do
go.
go.
They go. They go.
Say tonight
Guy,
you
they
go
go
do
now.
Guy, they push me because of Olosho.
I go push you.
I'm not gonna pay what guys on.
I want to transport
They go.
I want to play transport I go do wickedness. So.
No one manya o.
Agene kwa.
What happened?
I want to talk to you about something very important.
Okay.
Let's watch this video.
I want you to start paying me anytime we knock.
I don't understand.
I don't want you to understand it. Anytime we knock, you pay me.
Have you forgotten that we are in a relationship? We are about to get married. We are engaged. We are engaged like this.
And so what? I've been in the street for 5 years.
Okay.
And there's this feeling I get when I'm being paid after knock. So I need you to start paying me.
Come on, now.
Tell me what that.
I provide for you. I give you monthly allowances. Anything you want, I'm always providing it. Yeah?
You gonna explain
What is the problem? Okay. How much will I be paying you?
Is it full time or short time?
I'm not gonna pay what guys on.